Hi friends, this is TKD. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. So as a part of this trail event monitoring analytics app, which is a very powerful pre-built app to visualize your Salesforce event log data. So today we are going to finish the add more data to the analytics dashboard section. So with after finishing this, after finishing this, what we can do is basically we should be able to add our own data to the dashboards. We can customize the data dashboards to fit our business needs, and also we can share the event monitoring app with others. Oh, isn't it cool? So friends, as a part of this trail, we should be securing around about 100 points for this. Now let us see if we can score 100 points with for this section, that is add more data to the Salesforce analytics dashboards, which comes under event monitoring analytics app. Mind you friends, this is for this you need to have secure your, you need to have your Salesforce Shield plugin. Now the first question is, which of these is an example of why you would add an data to an existing board? So let us go with the first question. Which of these is an example of why you would add data to an existing database dashboard? So to embed report results in a dashboard, to show report names in a dashboard, to show account types in a dashboard. So it looks like the option B and C might be the suited ones, like to show the report names in a dashboard, to show account types in a dashboard. And so next question is, what is the first step to add your data to a dashboard? Clone a dashboard, create a data set, add a new lens to the dashboard, run data manager. Looks like create a data set is the thing which we are looking for. Which permissions do users require to access the event monitoring analytics app that you share with them? The first option is use analytics templated apps and access event monitoring analytics templates and apps. The other thing is manage analytics templated apps. Other option is access event and monitoring analytics templates and apps, or event monitoring analytics user and event monitoring analytics app admin. So it looks like, as mentioned before, it's the option A. So let us see if we are able to earn the 100 points. Woohoo! You got the new shining badge on your profile. And so don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And feel free to write, subscribe, and provide comments in this section below. Thank you. Have a safe day ahead. Stay safe and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.